Don't cook chicken at home until you see this recipe. Let's start our recipe by cutting 2 chicken breasts into small pieces. Tell me what your favorite chicken recipe is. I'd love to know. Now put the chicken in a bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix everything very well. And let marinate for 30 minutes. In a pan, add olive oil, then the chicken, and let fry. We will need 2 onions. Cut them in half, then slice them. Now cut 100 grams of broccoli. Then put everything into a bowl, add hot water, half a tablespoon of salt, and set aside. In a pan, add olive oil, the onion, and stir fry. When it looks like this, add the broccoli, half red bell pepper, half green bell pepper, half yellow bell pepper, and mix well. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Margaret Chirwa from Zambia. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. Now add a teaspoon of garlic and mix it in. And add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and mix again. Finally, put the chicken into the pot, add 50 milliliters of water mixed with a tablespoon of cornstarch, and give a little stir. Cover the pan and let cook for 15 minutes. And our chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.